So now, you don't really take it easy on the way back, right?
Not at all.
What did I tell you down there? I said nice leisurely drive through the woods.
Oh my God! Please. God! Oh my God! I'm not doing this again! Caitlin? Yeah? I love you!
Because she saw 104 and it was still climbing. She's like, I didn't want to know. Yeah. You guys take the red line limiter off of this? No. Yeah, but it's real high. Yeah, you have to reprogram it. Oh, okay, yeah. How'd you do? I won Sunday and Saturday. We got our fuel pump modulators to go out. Oh, come on. It got really hot, and in those Subarus, the fuel pump modulator is... You're going first on that one? Yeah. And that's the thing in the front-wheel drive. You want to carry stuff around, not a lot of wheels. You don't think that's... Yeah. Now we can hammer down. And put it back in second. Here we go, guys. Oh, beautiful. Now, how long you...
So now, you don't really take it easy on the way back, right?
Not at all.
What did I tell you down there? I said nice leisurely drive through the woods.
Why do I doubt that?
I think we can hit 60 before we get to the first.
Are you serious?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God! I could get out right
now. There's only 2 of you in
now.
here, and one of you is really small. Nah, you're not gonna. It doesn't feel like 60. It's all relative. Well, my daughter's my co-driver in the rally car.
Really?
No kidding. Yep.